29 species in genus Sidalcea. My love affair with Sidalcea. The first time I saw a Sidalcea, I was hiking through a meadow in the California hills. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, and the wildflowers were in full bloom. Among the sea of yellow and orange, I noticed a delicate pink flower that I had never seen before. I stopped to take a closer look, and I was immediately captivated. The flower was so simple and elegant, with its 5 petals and delicate stamen. I learned later that it was a Sidalcea, a member of the Malvaceae family. Since that day, I have been fascinated by Sidalcea. I have grown them in my garden, and I have even traveled to see them in their native habitat. I am always amazed by their beauty and diversity. What is Sidalcea? Sidalcea is a genus of about 30 species of flowering plants in the mallow family. They are native to Western North America, where they can be found in a variety of habitats, from meadows and prairies to woodlands and mountains. Sidalcea are known for their beautiful flowers, which come in a variety of colors, including pink, purple, white, and red. They are also relatively easy to grow, which makes them a popular choice for gardeners. Why I love Sidalcea. There are many reasons why I love Sidalcea. First, they are simply beautiful. Their flowers are delicate and elegant, and they come in a wide variety of colors. Second, they are relatively easy to grow. They are not fussy about soil or water, and they can tolerate a wide range of conditions. Third, they are a great choice for attracting pollinators to your garden. Bees and butterflies love Sidalcea flowers. Finally, I love the fact that Sidalcea is a native plant. By growing them in my garden, I am helping to support the local ecosystem. Species in Sidalcea. There are about 29 species of Sidalcea. Some of the most common include Sidalcea candida, white checkerbloom; Sidalcea malviflora, checkerbloom; Sidalcea oregana, Oregon checkerbloom; Sidalcea glossescens, waxy checkerbloom; Sidalcea hirsuta, hairy checkerbloom; Sidalcea pedata, bird-footed checkerbloom; Sidalcea campestris, meadow checker mallow; Sidalcea asprella, rough checker mallow; Sidalcea covillei, Owens Valley Sidalcea; Sidalcea diplocypha, fringe checkerbloom; Sidalcea cusickii, Cusick's checker mallow; Sidalcea gigantea, giant checker mallow; Sidalcea hickmanii, Hickman's checkerbloom; Sidalcea multifida, cut-leaved checkerbloom; Sidalcea nelsoniana, Nelson's checker mallow; Sidalcea neomexicana, New Mexico checkerbloom; Sidalcea ranunculacea, buttercup checkerbloom; Sidalcea reptans, creeping checkerbloom. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Growing Sidalcea. Sidalcea are relatively easy to grow. They prefer full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. They are drought-tolerant, but they will bloom best with regular watering. Sidalcea can be propagated from seed or by division. Sidalcea in the garden. Sidalcea are a versatile plant that can be used in a variety of garden settings. They are a great choice for borders, meadows, and wildflower gardens. They can also be used in containers. Sidalcea are a good companion plant for other native plants, such as California poppies, lupins, and penstemons. Sidalcea and pollinators. Sidalcea are a great choice for attracting pollinators to your garden. Bees and butterflies love Sidalcea flowers. Sidalcea as a native plant. Sidalcea is a native plant to Western North America. By growing them in my garden, I am helping to support the local ecosystem. Conclusion. I encourage you to try growing Sidalcea in your garden. They are a beautiful and easy-to-grow plant that will bring you years of enjoyment.